the last video, we talked about what Docker is and how to install Docker. In this video, we're not running anything yet. We're just getting comfortable with Docker Desktop, what we're looking at, where things live, and what we can safely ignore. You don't need to remember everything, this is just a map. Now go ahead and open Docker Desktop. If it says Docker is running, or engine running on the bottom as shown, you're good to go. If it's still starting, just give it a moment. Most of what we'll use in Docker Desktop is on the left. You don't need to click everything. I'll tell you what matters now and what we'll come back to later. Now, this is the main place you'll spend your time, in the Containers tab. Containers are the things that are actually running. They're the applications, they're containers. If something is running in Docker, it will show up here. The status of it, start, stop buttons. If you ever want to stop something, this is where you do it. If you want to start it, this is where you do it. If this page is empty, that's completely normal right now. Images are things Docker can run. Think of them like templates. You don't use images directly, you run them and that creates containers. You don't need to understand how images are built, you just need to know that this is where they live. Now, volumes are about saving data. We're not using these yet, I just want you to know that this section exists. When we need it, we'll come back. This is for building your own images. We're not doing that, so you can completely ignore this for now as well. Same with extensions. Extensions, these are add-ons. You don't need any of these to use Docker, so we won't touch it. And also that'll be the same as the settings tab up here. So you don't need to change anything here. Docker works out of the box. If we ever need to come here, I'll tell you exactly what to change and when it needs to be changed. But generally, it works straight out of the box. You don't need to change anything. So you don't need to remember every button. Just remember this. Containers are running things. Images are things you can run. And Docker Desktop is just how we manage them. In the next video, we're going to run our first real container. You'll see something working in your browser. No code, no terminal, just clicks. If this video helped make Docker feel less scary, give it a like. And if you want to learn Docker from absolute zero, subscribe to the channel. This is Systems from Scratch. I'll see you in the next one.